Welcome back to Design Coach. Today we are going to learn absolute position in Figma. What is absolute position in Figma and how we can use it? So let's start with the Figma. First I need to be design a bell icon notification. So for this we just go to the bootstrap icon and select one bell icon, and I just copy this SVG icon and paste it into Figma. Here you will go and check. This is the frame of bell icon. I just convert it into auto layout. After converting this frame into auto layout, we need to add one notification badge on the bell. So I just go here and draw a simple ellipse. After drawing this circle, you need notice that it will take there its own space. Now you will just see it will be have their own space, and if you make it 0, it will be aligned with it. So what exactly we need to do? We need this icon on the top of bell. At this time we required a absolute position from the Figma. So where you can find the absolute positions, you will see here is the icon indicate absolute positions. When you just click on these absolute positions, it will ignore each other and resize it and move it. So I just select this absolute position, click, you will see it will create their own space, and I just move it into bell icon. It will show a different object and exclude from its auto layout frame. So this will help us to be create a absolute position as like we do in the CSS. So this absolute position will help us to be create a overlay object on any auto layout frame. I just resize it. Now I just go and color it to red. Okay, now you see you can resize it and move it anywhere into auto layout. These absolute positions will be useful to any overlay object that will be you have to be exclude from the your auto layout frame. So this absolute position really helpful. You can just now give the background color something. See, it will be on the same. So here is the very initial of using positions absolute. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and watch my all the tips on the Figma. Thank you.